Hello everyone! About how to install the fractional probes. First, we need to unplug the L2. Then we need to unscrew the fractional head. We should unscrew the complete head. Be careful, do not touch or wipe the length of head. And don't touch the inside of connector. This is the conversion head for internal vulva and vulva operation probe. Before connect the vaginal probe, we should connect the conversion head to the hand tools. After that, you can connect the vaginal probe. If need to use vulva probe, just unscrew the internal vulva probe. No need unscrew the conversion head, then screw in the vulva probe. If need to change back to use fractional probe, we should unscrew out the vaginal probe and the conversion head. Then screw in the fractional probe. Connect the L2. If need to use cutting probe, we should unscrew this part. Then connect the cutting probe. Remember, this part you can screw it. No matter use which probe, you can screw. It is very important. After unscrew the hand tools, you can connect the cutting probe. If need to change to use fractional probe, you should unscrew the first part of the hand tools. Do not leave the second part on hand tools. The second part can connect to the hand tools but can't use, because it is belong to cutting probe, not for the hand tools.